Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to play Minecraft with friends for free. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search Minecraft servers. Click on this link. Here you can see a list of various public servers. All their IP link can be copied from their site, and all the server information is written down below every server. Choose your desired server and copy the address. Go to the Minecraft game. Click on Add Server and paste the address here. Now join the server. You may need to register with password for security. Tell your friend to do the same so he can join the same server so you both can play on the same world. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.